Garages are designed to provide storage, workspace, and protection for vehicles, but over time, they often become the catch-all for bulky or heavy items that are difficult to move. Old appliances, broken furniture, large shelving units, exercise equipment, and leftover renovation materials can quickly take over the space. For homeowners in Austin, Garage Cleanout services offer a safe and efficient solution for removing large or heavy items and reclaiming valuable square footage. The challenge of moving heavy items. Large objects are not just inconvenient, they can also be dangerous to handle without proper equipment or experience. Attempting to move oversized items on your own increases the risk of injury or property damage. Garage Cleanout professionals in Austin are trained to handle heavy lifting safely. They use the right tools and techniques to remove bulky items without damaging walls, floors, or driveways. Reclaiming space for practical use. When heavy or oversized items accumulate, garages quickly lose their functionality. Vehicles may no longer fit, and simple tasks like accessing tools or storage bins become difficult. Garage Cleanout services help Austin homeowners clear out these obstacles. Once large items are removed, the garage becomes more accessible and usable for its intended purpose. Safe removal of old appliances and equipment. It's common for garages to store outdated refrigerators, washers, dryers, or exercise machines that are no longer in use. These items are often too heavy or awkward to move without assistance. Professional cleanout services in Austin handle the removal process efficiently, reducing strain and preventing accidents. Clearing construction or renovation debris after home improvement projects. Leftover materials such as wood, tile, drywall, or scrap metal often end up in the garage. Austin homeowners benefit from garage cleanout services that can remove construction debris quickly and responsibly, restoring order to the space. Avoiding damage to your property. Dragging heavy furniture or equipment across the garage floor can leave scratches or dents. Improper lifting can also damage door frames or walls. Experienced cleanout teams in Austin understand how to maneuver bulky items through tight spaces without causing unnecessary damage to your home. Saving time and effort. Removing heavy items is time-consuming and physically demanding. What might take a homeowner an entire weekend can often be completed much more efficiently by professionals. Garage Cleanout services in Austin allow homeowners to focus on other priorities while the removal process is handled safely and quickly. Improving safety and accessibility. Heavy items stored improperly can create safety hazards. Stacked appliances or leaning furniture increase the risk of accidents. By clearing these items, Austin homeowners create a safer and more organized garage environment. Open walkways and clear storage areas improve daily accessibility. Preparing for new uses. Once heavy clutter is removed, garages can be repurposed for more functional uses. Austin residents often transform cleared garages into home gyms, workshops, or organized storage spaces. Removing large items is the first step toward that transformation. Reducing stress and overwhelm. Seeing a garage filled with oversized, unused belongings can feel overwhelming. Professional garage cleanout services provide a structured, manageable solution. Austin homeowners gain peace of mind knowing that even the largest items can be removed safely and efficiently. A practical solution for heavy-duty cleanouts. Garages should serve your needs, not limit them. For homeowners in Austin, Garage Cleanout services offer a reliable way to remove large or heavy items without risk or hassle. By clearing bulky obstacles, you restore functionality, improve safety, and reclaim valuable space. Whether preparing for a renovation, downsizing, or simply organizing your home, professional cleanout services make it easier to transform your garage into a clean, usable, and efficient space once again.